little bit of a sluggish start in that first half, but you know, it's really on us to pick each other up, lift each other up, and continue to push forward and stick to our fundamentals and everything that the coaches are teaching us.
Congrats, Chris.
Thank you. Para sa bayan.
Masaya naman kami. Lalo na yun, napanalo namin yung New Zealand na pinagandaan talaga namin. Which is nagbuma naman yung pinaghirapan namin sa bubble. You know, malaking bagay na nagsasama kami every window. So yung adjustment kahit pa paano hindi ganun palaki.
Ano yung mababaan mo from this experience heading back to Korea?
Siyempre, playing with mas matatanda sa akin, they always advise me to capture the game, be more patient. So yun yung madadala ko sa pagbalik sa Korea.
Kaya ngayon makakasama si KQ for this window, ano masabi mo na having you been as a teammate?
Siyempre, sobrang blessed kasi simula bata naman kasama namin. And having this opportunity to play with him, the national team, which is maraming players sa Pilipinas gusto makalaro doon. Since high school teammate kami, and now we're playing for our country. It's very big honor for us.
Kevin.
Ayun na masabi mo.
Masaya, sobrang masaya. Ayun nga, matagal ko hinintay itong opportunity na to, and ayun, dumating. Thankful ako kay Coach Team sa buong coaching staff na binigyan kami ng opportunity, mga young guys.
Ano masabi mo sa sinabi ni Carl na masaya sila na magkasama kayo sa high school, tapos ngayon magkasama na kayo ngayon?
For me, sobrang saya din para sa akin kasi makikita mo yung growth namin dalawa na kung saan kami magpunta, yung bonding namin na hindi nawawala. So, coming from a high school teammate to a national teammate, national team, sobrang blessed para sa akin, para kay Carl, sa pamilya namin dalawa. And then, ayun, cherish ko lang yung moment na to. And then, ayun nga, alam ko madami pa kami pagsasamahan.